We all dream of having clear, hydrated, bouncy, and glowing skin, the type of skin that looks plump, hydrated, and dewy. But let's be real, can an average person, like me, truly achieve that level of clear, healthy skin? What secrets do some people know that the rest of us might be missing? So I'm here to share some secret remedies and tips for clear, hydrated, bouncy skin. Let's unlock the glow together. DIY mask for removing facial hair. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of gram flour with 2 tablespoons of rose water. For an extra boost, add a few drops of lemon juice if it suits your skin. Mix the ingredients into a smooth paste, then apply it evenly to your face. Allow the mask to dry, then gently rub it off with your fingers to help reduce facial hair. For the best results, use this mask twice a week. Over time, your skin will become smoother, and facial hair will gradually lessen. Gram flour clears pores, controls oil, and removes dirt, helping to prevent pimples. It also reduces tan and brightens skin for a radiant glow. Rose water keeps skin hydrated, fights acne-causing bacteria, and promotes a soft, youthful complexion. Natural cleanser. Use honey as a natural cleanser. Honey offers numerous benefits, but if I listed them all, this video would be too long. It's simple to use. Just massage honey onto your face every morning for 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Double cleanse. The double cleanse is a fundamental part of the traditional Korean skincare routine to get glass skin. If you have an oil-based and a water-based cleanser, this step is for you. But if you don't worry. Then use honey as a natural cleanser. Step 1. Apply an oil-based cleanser on dry skin, massaging gently to remove makeup, sunscreen, and excess oils. Rinse with lukewarm water or wipe with a damp cloth. Step 2. Follow with a gentle water-based cleanser to clear away any remaining dirt, sweat, and oil. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep creating content for you. Let's jump into the next step. DIY Korean rice face mask. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. With 2 tablespoons of rice flour, mix well until you achieve a smooth paste. Gently massage the mixture onto your face using your fingertips for about 5 minutes. Rinse it off with water. Rice flour. Known for its brightening properties, it reduces dark spots, evens skin tone, and gently exfoliates for a smooth complexion. Aloe vera. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, it soothes, hydrates, and nourishes skin for a soft, radiant glow. Before moving to the next remedy, here's a quick tip for acne-prone skin. A common misconception is that drying out your skin will clear acne. In reality, this can lead to more breakouts, dryness, and a dull complexion. Keeping your skin moisturized is essential for clear, glowing skin. Even with acne, opt for a lightweight gel moisturizer for the best results. Serum for healthy, glowing skin. Take a bowl and mix 3 teaspoons of pure aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons of rose water, and 1 tablespoon of argan oil, or another oil that suits your skin. Mix well. Apply this serum to your face using your fingertips, gently massaging until fully absorbed. Use it daily for the best results. This serum adds a healthy glow, smooths skin texture, and brightens your complexion, leaving your skin looking radiant and hydrated. Healthy diet. For a glowing complexion, nourish your skin from within with a healthy diet. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like fruits and vegetables, along with healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. Just remedies and products alone may not be enough to achieve radiant skin. Here are some drinks you can add to your daily routine to enhance your skin's health from the inside out. Facial massage. Gently massage your skin in circular motions to boost blood circulation, giving you a natural glow and helping products absorb better. Adequate sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to help achieve that glowing and fresh skin. Choose remedies that work best for your skin and eliminate those that do not suit your skin. Remember, consistency is key. If you apply these remedies just once and expect amazing results, you'll likely be disappointed. Stick with it for the best outcomes. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much for watching.